Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best biscuit joiners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best biscuit joiners that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Makita PJ7000 biscuit joiner. The Makita PJ7000 biscuit joiner comes equipped with a rack and pinion fence system, which is very easy to adjust and use to make angled cuts. With a 700-watt motor capable of spinning the blades up to 11,000 revolutions per minute, this joiner is powerful enough to cut through any type of wood you're working with. By opening the blade cover with clamp screws and engaging the shaft lock to keep the blade from spinning, you can easily replace the blade in it with new sharp blades or other sizes of blades. There are 6 preset cutting depth settings, and 1 touch stops of 0, 10 and 20 you can use to make cuts for common biscuit sizes. Adjusting the fence is very easy using a large cam lock that comes with it, and there are positive stops at 0, 45 and 90 degrees for making common angle cuts. Moving on at number 4, we have the Festool Best Professional Biscuit Joiner. The unique cutting action oscillates as it rotates so you can enjoy cutting the smoothest mortises repeatably with very little effort. With positive stops placed at 22.5, 45 and 67.5 degrees, you'll be able to cut without measuring when it counts. Indexing pins help with perfect alignment, and the overall cutting quality is second to none. You'd expect nothing less from Festool. A built-in benefit with Festool is the way all tools are designed to integrate seamlessly. They don't just happen to work well together, they're expressly designed that way. It's sometimes hard to say what makes some people pay a significant premium for certain brands. When it comes to Festool, though, it's easy to understand the attraction. You'll struggle to find a better joiner however long you search. At number 3, we have the Makita 18 volts cordless biscuit plate joiner. If you want a cordless biscuit joiner you can work with on the job site without the inconvenience of using a cord, then you should consider getting this Makita XJP03Z cordless biscuit joiner. With it you can cut slots for the different sizes of biscuits, and there are preset depth stops for making these cuts. The XJP03Z comes equipped with a rack and pinion vertical fence system which you can use to make accurate adjustments for the joints you want to cut. At number 2, we have the REXBETI Biscuit Joiner Kit. One of the best biscuit joiners you can use to make biscuit joints during your woodworking projects is the REXBETI REX031 Biscuit Joiner. It weighs just 7 pounds, making it very portable and easy to handle. With a powerful motor producing a no-load speed of 10,000 revolutions per minute, you have a very powerful tool you can use no matter the type of tool you're working with. The REX031 comes equipped with a 4-inch blade and it has a cut depth capacity of 15 mm. As for the fence, it can be adjusted from 0 to 90 degrees and it's suitable for making biscuit joints no matter the type of joint or angle with which you want to make the joinery. There are stops at 0 degrees, 45 and 90 degrees respectively, to ensure ease of cuts at commonly used angles. And finally at number 1, we have the Dewalt DW682K Biscuit Joiner Kit. Equipped with a powerful 6.5 amps motor which spins at a speed of 10,000 revolutions per minute, the Dewalt DW682K Biscuit Joiner is capable of cutting through any wood you're working with, hard or soft. It comes equipped with a dual rack and pinion fence system which ensures that the blade and fence are parallel so that you can make accurate repeated joints every time. You can adjust the fence from 0 to 90 degrees easily to make any type of angled cut you want to make. A notch exists in the 45-degree angle, which makes cutting slots for miter joints very easy. On the 0-degree angle you can make flush cuts without removing the fence, and there are positive depth stops for all the common biscuit sizes you can use for making the joints. The non-marring heavy-duty aluminum shoe allows the Dewalt DW682K biscuit joiner to be used. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.